Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.
Alright, how you going, guys? Big day at work today, just going to make this one quick. Doing 24 cans in 24 days, doing Bridge Road Brewers Advent Calendar, and it's absolutely beautiful. I actually look forward to this now. It's just really, it's interesting seeing different kinds of beers and stuff coming on. Had a big day today. It's Christmas time and I work in retail, so I'm getting all of it. Yeah, just been busy. After here, I'll have to leave again. Big blowfly. I don't know what the hell's going on there. He was going off his nut, but he's gone. Yeah, I'm going to have to leave here and go back to work again and do some more work. I had to do this first, get this out of the way. So, this beer, Bridge Road Brewers, Fat Man, Red Suit, Big Sack. How good is that? That is so funny. It's a festive red IPA, it's called. It looks really, really good. So far, so good. It's something a bit different. It's pretty much Bridge Road saying, Hoppy Christmas. Right, I'm going to open her up. Oh, I can never get my nails under this. Terrible. A little bit of a hiss, not much. Nice hoppy scent. Yeah, beer always smells really good. We'll pour it in. Look at that, it's got a bit of a red hue. This is what they were talking about. When I read the can, I'll read the can in a sec for you. That's poured. Glass is quite... My wife washed it. Glass is ready to go. A little bit of a cloudiness to it. Whoops, I'll give you a bit of a sight there. It looks darker on the screen, so I'm hoping that it translates better in the flavour. It is a dark red hue, which is nice. So the carbonation isn't overly strong. It looks pretty good. Really nice yellow sort of orangey yellow head on that. Really nice, actually. The smell, citrusy again, just mildly citrusy. Hoppy, very hoppy. Very nice. Very, oh, I can smell a bit of caramel as well. Caramel, as well as... Oh, not much more than that. It's really quite interesting as a smell. It smells like something I've actually made in my past. Probably should tell you. Its write-up is Fat Man is a big red IPA designed for a celebration. Its vibrant red hue and abundance of tropical Australian grown hops makes it the perfect summer Yuletide brew. Hops, Galaxy. Ah, that's what I can smell, the Galaxy. Yeah, oh, and straight up that caramel smell, beautiful. Vic Secret and Enigma. Malt, Red X, and Gladfield Ale malt. There you go, so it's going to be really it's going to be interesting, this one. Looks good. Okay, let's try it, shall we? Wow. Wow. That's nice. Look, I'm sorry, but nearly every beer I'm getting out of this is very nice. This one's chocolatey. It really has that rich chocolatey flavour with caramel mixed with it. It's really quite nice. Oh my god, I've got to be careful with this one. 7.5%. 350 ml. I'll have to be careful. I might sip this one. I do have to go back to work, so I don't want to be off my nut before I do it. Wow. It's really, really tasty, guys. If you like a good hoppy, rich IPA, oh, this is the one for you. My beers that smell like that. Oh, that's a beautiful beer. What I'm getting out of this is a toffee. I'm getting a toffee flavour out of this. It's really, really nice. Wow. Oh my god. It's not entirely sweet, but it's a little bit. Bitterness is really right there, back there. It's not high in bitterness, probably about 20 IBU maybe. It might come out later. Oh, that's good. I can't explain it. It's rum. It's got a rum sort of background, like I don't know, molasses. When you make rum, basically out of molasses, you get that little bit of a. It's almost a rubbery flavour, but it's not rubbery. It's more of a caramelly flavour, which is what rum has anyway. Oh, and it smells just like it too. It's really, really gorgeous. I'm sorry, this is my type of beer. This is a one I would love to drink all the time. I really hope that these guys are making this more often. I am going to buy a 6-pack of this at least. That is beautiful. What a nice beer. Guys, excuse me. Guys, the best one I've had so far, and really liking it. Bridge Road Brewers, you've outdone yourself. This is gorgeous. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll check you on the next one. We'll see you in the next one. I hope I can drive after this.